Welcome to Buy Your Ride, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with distance pacing with traffic stop-go, delayed accessory power, driver selectable mode transmission, 6-way driver seat, dual stage driver and passenger seat mounted side airbags, rear view camera, turn-by-turn navigation directions, front collision mitigation, a backup camera, streaming audio, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Family-owned Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley is the best place for purchasing pre-owned vehicles or using our auto broker service for new or used cars, trucks, or SUVs of any make and model. We pride ourselves on great deals on quality vehicles with straightforward pricing, so you know you're getting a great ride for the best price. For us, it's not about one deal, it's about the relationship with our customers. We treat you right so you'll come back, and our 5-star reviews show that we mean it. So give us a call or stop by today. Whether you want to buy, lease, or sell a car, Buy Your Ride is the best place for you.